Here we are at the FSI Research console for Lind. This is the 808 controller. It's very typical when you remove the controller that the serial number falls off because it's lightly adhered. I double-side taped this one to reattach it in order to verify that this is indeed the Eurotherm that we are shipping with the Research console and the one that we're testing today. We're going to install two small holes on this side of the board so that it will be uniquely identified like none other in the world. And so I'm going to put this first hole right there. There. That's clean. And then put another hole way up top here. Right there. Okay. Two holes. That's the only one in the world that has it. Okay, now we're at a Mercury test stand, and I've got an 808, not the one with the Research console, set up here for test. If I communicate with it by changing the set point to 16 degrees, for example, and this is still at 12, and now I press enter, the set point changes, but the Mercury reports that it's not communicating. And the little dot that demonstrates communication flashes irregularly. So there's a problem with the Mercury, but I do not believe it's with, I've changed the UART card 3 times, put 3 different UART cards in there, and this is the second Eurotherm. They all do the same thing. I'm going to show you the, I'm going to change this to 7 degrees. 7 degrees. Okay, now I'm going to push enter. There. And now you can see that dot flashing irregularly. There it is. So there's a problem with the communication, and I believe it's in the Mercury. It's not in the Eurotherm. Now we have the Eurotherm for the Research installed into the test Mercury. And you can see here the holes we just drilled, there and there. Okay, so now I'm going to plug this in. The Eurotherm cage is broken, so the screw doesn't work, and I have to just force it in. Okay, now I'm going to apply power. And we have 16 degrees, which is I think what we left it at, not sure. So it does power on, that's for certain. Now I'm going to enter a new set point. Let's do 40 degrees. Damn it. And now it's 40 degrees. And I still get the same communication error, which again has nothing to do with the Eurotherm. But you can see the communication indicator is still flashing irregularly. I'm going to change it to a new set point. Let's say 4 degrees, and enter. Now it's 4 degrees. Okay. So it's not communicating again. The Mercury is reporting it's not communicating, but it obviously is because the set point is changing. So I think this is a good Eurotherm. There's nothing wrong with it. I'm just going to change the set point one more time to, damn it, 13 degrees. And here we go, 13 degrees. Boom. And we get the communication irregular flashing like we did before. So Eurotherm works good, no problem.